Hello everybody, and welcome back again to the YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking, and again we've got a very nice, well, it's new basically, or as new, I should say, as new, because it's not, technically speaking, it's not brand new. Suzuki Carry Truck. So the chassis prefix is DA16T, and we can get these vehicles IVA tested because we have the axle weights. So this is a 660cc K truck. And so it's 2- and 4-wheel drive. This is what they refer to as the farming edition. So this car comes with diff locks, selectable high and low ratio 2- and 4-wheel drive, and obviously you can see as the colour is silver. It's delivery mileage of 13 miles. That's all it's done from the factory gate. 13 miles. So these are a very durable, tough, small truck. Obviously the load carrying capacity is probably about 350 kilos, but they do it very, very well indeed. So this vehicle is currently available in Japan. It's not in the United Kingdom. It's not, taxed and registered here at this moment in time, but it is available to buy for a guide price of £11,425. Now, the reason why we offer a guide price is because it's subject to currency fluctuations, which can have an effect upon one, the cost of the car in Japan. Two, the shipping charges can change because the vehicle, it's taking currently around 2 months to get the car here. And then you've got to clear customs, and so the amount of VAT you pay is subject to the exchange rate on the day when it's clearing customs, so it's impossible to know. So it's a guide price. So this vehicle is currently available to purchase. It's as brand new, and if anybody's interested in this vehicle, give me a call, because at £11,425 it's a massive saving on the UK retail price. Retail for this would be in the UK about £17,500. As you can see, it's got the diff locks there. It's got other features there. I think working. It's got auto stop start and traction control, from what I can see there. So there it is. There you go. 2- and 4-wheel drive, high and low ratio. So if anybody's interested in this one, give me a call. That's 07989 560 505. My name's Paul, and there it is. Speak to you soon. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Jap Auto Agent. We are a UK-based personal car import agency. We provide our customers with the opportunity to buy cars direct from the Japanese auctions at the trade export price. My customers are guaranteed large savings on selected cherry-picked vehicles direct from the fountain of supply, which is the Japanese car auctions. The process is quite simple. My customers appoint me as their agent. Once you've completed the agency form and put the deposit in place, that starts the process. Your details will also be sent out to our buyers in Japan. There's not just myself searching for these cars. We've got a small team of people out in Japan looking for the vehicles that we want to supply to our customers. As you can see here, I've got 2 Suzuki Jimneys. So my customers will save a minimum of £5,000 on both of these vehicles, and I mean a minimum. You can't buy them cheaper. And if anybody wishes to know more about this process, feel free to get in contact with me by telephone or even email. We supply all the makes and models. If the car is in that auction, then I can supply it. It's as simple as that.